because it talks about the four major pillars. The first one, have to be impeccable with your words. The second, what's up, everyone? This is Ekta Dikshit, and today we're going to talk about 5 books that you must read in 2020. Why do you think I'm focusing so much on 2020? Is because 2020 has been such a rough year for almost all of us, but it's also a year to focus on yourself. It's also a year to create a system for yourself to get better every single day and evaluate your goals, your visions. I mean, it just came with a good pause. I keep getting a lot of ebooks, but nothing replaces the feel of a paperback. If you're someone like me who loves and chooses hardcover over a digital screen, then hit a thumbs up button right now. So let's just get started without any further ado. So the first book that I would recommend is this one, 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Who wakes up at 5 a.m.? I was exactly here a year back, but trust me, only when I started waking up early and I started seeing the results, I cannot deny the benefits of it. It's just not about waking up early, but it's about why you should wake up early. This book really helps you in reflecting upon your thought, upon your growth, and it just simply says that when the world is sleeping, it's such a wonderful time for you to apply the 20-20-20 principle. Yes, the first 20 minutes spend exercising, which hits your dopamine level, which boosts your dopamine, and it's more like a kickstart of your day. The next 20 minutes, just do more of inner work where you do a lot of journaling, you do meditation, in fact, create the goals for the day. And the last 20 minutes, do a lot of brushing up of your skills, which means grow your skills. Listen to a podcast or do some sort of a course or read a book. Do something which is going to enhance your growth. In short, he talks about how preparation is the key principle for success. The next book is Atomic Habit by James Clear. I love this book because this book just gives you such actionable strategies to create new habits. And trust me, this book is being spoken about everywhere and it's spreading like a wildfire. This book is not only recommended for those who are building new habits, but also for those who are getting rid of the old toxic negative habit. It says that it's vital to create a team which will make you accountable for all the habits that you have. So just go and get this book right now. The third book that I recommend is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Now, a lot of people pronounce him as Eckhart Tolle or Eckhart Tolle, but actually it is Eckhart Tolle. Trust me, this book is the need of the hour. I mean, it teaches us to live in the present moment instead of just dreading over the future or just living in the past. It's important to live in the now and be mindful of everything. It focuses on the key principle to observe our mind as a third party. It's such an enlightening journey. The fourth one is the classic of all times. It's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. I mean, it's such a spectacular book. I know a lot of people have read this book, but for those who haven't read, let me tell you, it just helps you in getting better in every area of your life. So in this book, Habit 1, 2 and 3 majorly focuses on self-mastery and how to move from dependent to independent, whereas the Habit 4, 5 and 6 focuses on teamwork, collaborations, and your communication skills, and have to move from independent to interdependent. This book is just wow. The last one that I would definitely recommend is The 4 Agreements by John McGill. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm really sorry. So this book is a practical guide to personal freedom where it just talks about how to break through from your self-limiting beliefs. And I trust me, I love this book so much because it talks about the 4 major pillars. The first one, have to be impeccable with your words. Number 2 is don't make assumptions. Number 3, don't take anything personally. Number 4, always do your best. I mean, these are the 4 most important pillars of our life, and I think most of our issues that we face in our life are because of these 4. So it talks about the 4 agreements that you make with these major important foundations. And trust me, I really want you to read this book. These are the 5 most important books that you must be reading in 2020, and these books are so handy and so easily applicable in our day-to-day life, and I feel that it's the need of the year. If you've read any of these books, please let me know in the comment section what you really loved about this book and what are the tips that you've been applying from these books. So I hope that you love this video, and if you loved it, then please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon, which is going to keep you updated about all the posts that I share here on my page. So stay tuned, and I shall come back soon. Soon coming back with more amazing books.